I find out answers when I don't ask. While I stand here with a visit from my past, I didn't invite you, I asked you very kindly to leave when I wanted you. Please do not remind me it was me that said, please do not go. You don't know, you can't stay. I can't sleep when you're gone. Did you know I only lie awake till morning? I consented to walk, what's the harm in a stroll? A couple of blocks couldn't take a toll. I consented to talk, what's the harm?